Morso has journeyed from being a small iron foundry 156 years ago to one of the world's leading suppliers of high-quality cast iron stoves. Every Morso stove is a tribute to stove-making experience and the finest Scandinavian design. Morso is a great example of how original design, fused with advanced engineering and using the best materials available, can produce some of the most energy-efficient, eco-friendly wood stoves in the world. State-of-the-art combustion technology that incorporates vermiculite firebox liners and secondary air ensures that every Morso stove surpasses the strictest clean air standards and provides comfortable levels of environmentally friendly warmth. Morso commissions world-renowned designers to create new stove designs that are timeless, with clean lines that accentuate light and shade. You can choose from a large selection of wood stove styles and sizes, which fit every lifestyle and design interest, whether you prefer classic or modern, traditional or contemporary. Freestanding and insert models, single-walled radiant and double-walled convection models. While we've chosen to highlight the new 7644 model designed by Danish art icon Monica Ritterband, almost every feature, benefit, and design advantage represented here comes standard to all Morso models. Morso stoves have a 10-year warranty against manufacturing defects. They are not welded or cemented together. They are an assembly of cast iron plates bolted together, with each joint sealed using a rope gasket, ensuring that each and every stove remains tightly sealed for the life of the stove, unlike a cemented joint that may crack with the continual expansion and contraction. The thickness of the high-quality cast iron used is nearly twice as thick as a stove made of plate steel, so Morso stoves retain heat longer. Another plus is that cast iron has a unique ability to distribute heat much better than that of steel, and it has a thermal tension which makes the material especially well suited to changing temperatures. All internal castings are made from chrome iron, a material that breathes with the heat of the fire, thus increasing the life expectancy of the stove's internal engine parts. Every Morso stove contains an innovative air wash system that moves preheated combustion air across the inside of the window to maintain a clean glass and unobstructed view of the dancing flames. Almost every Morso stove incorporates a convenient ash tray for the easy removal of excess ash. Most Morso stoves also feature an ergonomic fall-away handle for additional safety. Morso stove clearances are amongst the closest in the industry, and when applicable, Morso integrates rear and bottom heat shields to keep wall clearances to a minimum. This means you get the heating system you need without having to sacrifice your floor space. At Morso, we are committed to demonstrating thinking green values that center on recycling, environment-friendly technology, and company-wide conservation practices. All of our handcrafted cast iron products are made from 98% recycled material, and 80% of the power used in production comes from locally supplied renewable energy. Stove performance should not only be measured in terms of heat output, but also on the impact on the environment. Look for the Nordic Swan Eco-label that recognizes Scandinavian companies that are actively reducing their environmental footprint. Over 27 Morso stoves have been awarded this respected honor. For many of us, firewood symbolizes warmth. We don't think renewable energy, however, that is exactly what it is. By installing an energy-efficient Morso wood stove in your home, you can minimize your carbon footprint by reducing fossil fuel use and lowering heating costs, while also enhancing your living space with dancing flames and comfort.